Hello guys, it is Callie here, and today I am doing a time-lapse video of a girl I created. And to start, I took a picture of a sketch that I made and I uploaded it to Procreate, and then I traced the sketch and blacked in some colors here. I used the ink brush technical pencil, and then I decided to use the soft paintbrush and map in some shades and contours. um, Kind of like I would put makeup on myself. I kind of did that with her, and she looks pretty muddy right now, but then I started blacking in some hair colors and just went from there. I have a collection of girls that I'm going to do in this type of style and giving them different themes like galaxy, flowers, etc. So if you guys would like to see more, let me know. And yeah, please like and subscribe and send requests my way.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you